Hi guys, now it's time for independent work. That means that you will work in your book and I will assign some exercises. Your work must be clean, neat, and in order. It has to be also legible. That means that it has to be easy to read or understand. I will assign the exercises on page 118. Is exercise 1, B, C, and D. On page 119, you will work on exercise 2, B, and C. In an exercise 3, you are going to work from A to E, A, B, C, D, and E. That means that in exercise 3, you don't need to finish all the exercises there, only from A to E. When you finish doing your work, you are going to send a picture through Google Classroom. I'm going to assign this the exercises, and then you are going to send me a picture through Google Classroom. And if by any chance you cannot send it through Google Classroom, you can send it to Miss Onelia for WhatsApp, okay? But that is in case that you cannot send it through Google Classroom. Okay, have fun. Bye-bye.